Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Click ang notification for our latest update. For today, I will say you about my Tamil regarding local transfer. Well, good time to going to First Consolidated Bank, CBP, going online banking transfer. At kapag wala ka pang account sa FCB First Consolidated Bank, maaaring pumunta sa pinakamalapit na branch at magdala ng valid ID o dalawang valid ID na government, pwedeng national ID o 10 ID, pwede mong dalhin yan at magdala ng 100 pesos for deposit, first deposit. Maintaining balance ang 100 pesos for deposit sa iyong bank account. We need you to go to First Consolidated Bank na malapit sa inyong lugar.
Dito na tayo sa Play Store. So makikita natin, na-type lang natin yung GoTime. So ayan, nakita mo yung GoTime, tap mo lang yan. Then after nyan, na-download ko na kasi yan, ito yung apps. So open lang natin yan. Then mag-generate tayo doon, direct tayo sa apps. After nyan, so mag-welcome si GoTime. Then enter natin yung ating fingerprint. Then ayan na yung dashboard. Then punta tayo dito sa send transfer. Okay? Itap natin yung send transfer. Next lang natin to. Then hanapin natin yung other transfer bank. After, may nakalagay dito, i-search natin yung First Consolidated Bank. Pero if ever na gusto mong i-search, gusto mong ihanapin mo lang dito, pwede naman. Pero matagal. Pero mas maigi nang gawin mo, i-search mo na lang First Consolidated Bank. Ayan, lumabas na yung First Consolidated Bank. I-tap mo yung First Consolidated Bank. Then, yung amount na transfer. So, bali dito, may take 2-3 days arriving pending to transfer. So, ang gagamitin kasi nito is for transfer is PisoNet. So, 3 days mo siyang ma-accept. Let's say, nag-send ka ng pera today. So, Monday, Lunes, Martes, Merkulis. So, Merkulis ang papasok ng pera. Kasi, dino-double check yan ng local transfer. Kahit local transfer, hindi pa kasi siya, let's say na automatic na papasok sa bank account. Pero ito kasi is more than 3 days na arriving sa bank account. Pero direct naman so siya na papasok sa bank account mo. Yun lang 3 days siya bago papasok. Kasi may pending siya for a fund checking yung transaction mo. So let's say type natin, magsisend tayo ng 100. So 100 pesos ang isi-send natin, let's say Then next natin, proceed. And okay. Then, input your account number and account name. Okay? Then, after nyan, next natin. Okay. Ito ay tap natin for move fund on account. Pwede mong itap nyan. And then, payment or sending family or donation. Pwede mong itap dyan any na kung kanino mo ipapadala yung pera. So, for me, to move to funds other account, on account, okay? Then, ayan yung magiging transfer fee niya. And zero fee, walang, walang bayad sa transaction. Pag GoTime ang ginamit mo through transaction as is. Pero ang transaction lang nito hanggang 3 beses na pwede kang mag-transfer ng free. That is doon, pag sumobra na, then naging 4 na yung transaction mo, doon na siya magkakaroon ng charges sa bawat transfer mo. Then, input mo lang dyan yung transfer. Let's say, i-tap natin yung transfer. Then, hingi ng biometric. Ito yung fingerprint ko. Once na in-input ko yung fingerprint ko, no na yun, magta-transfer na yung pera on sa First Consolidated Bank account ko. Pero on my case, I give your example regarding this for how to send GoTime to First Consolidated Bank.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Click ang notification bell for our latest video.